There are a lot of variations for the man on the flying trapeze, and one of the really fun ones is the double on trapeze. You throw a trapeze like normal. I'm going to adjust the tilt a little bit, and then you swing it away from your yo-yo hand and bring it back on the string again.
You can do the trick in 2 stages or in one smooth motion.
To get it to come off, you pull it up 2 times and you've got the yo-yo back to normal. You can also do more than 2. Your yo-yo may have enough room inside the gap that you can do double, triple, maybe even quadruple. And if you want to get really fancy, you can do a fancy dismount. See how easy that is?
Fancy dismount.
This is one of the traditional old school tricks that demonstrators did way back in the 50s. And you start with the flying trapeze, but then you do the trapeze's brother. So to do it, you start with the trapeze, you flip the yo-yo off the string. You want to pinch the string here, or at least keep some control of it. You let the string slide across your thumb, swing it around, and stick your first finger out of your yo-yo hand. So, trapeze, off the string, around, grab the string with your thumb, catch the yo-yo in the trapeze on the other side.